How to mirror your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so if you want to mirror your video, just keep watching. First thing, go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now click on your video here from your drafts, or you can upload from your gallery directly. I already have this video, so I'm gonna just choose video right here. Go down here, click on edit, swipe right until you find another edit here, click on it, and you will find the mirror option. Click on it. As you can see, you can mirror your video easily just from here. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.